your smart TV does not always need home Wi-Fi to go online. If you have mobile data on your phone, you can share that internet with your TV using Mobile Hotspot. In this video, I will show you how to share your cell phone internet with a smart TV, so your TV can use your phone's mobile data just like a normal Wi-Fi connection. This method works with both Android phones and iPhones. It can help when your home Wi-Fi is not working, your internet package is expired, or you simply want to use your phone's mobile data on your smart TV. The menu names can be a little different depending on your TV brand and phone model, but the main idea is the same. First, you turn on mobile data and hotspot on your phone. Then you go to the Wi-Fi or network settings on your smart TV and connect the TV to your phone's hotspot. Before we start, just keep one thing in mind. Streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, or other video apps can use a lot of mobile data, so make sure you have enough data on your mobile plan before watching for a long time. First, make sure mobile data is turned on your phone. Open your phone and check that mobile data or cellular data is enabled. This is important because the hotspot only shares the internet that is already working on your phone. If mobile data is turned off, your smart TV may connect to the hotspot, but it can still show no internet. On Android, you can swipe down from the top and turn on mobile data, or you can open settings and turn it on from there. On iPhone, go to settings, then cellular, and turn on cellular data. Now turn on the mobile hotspot on your phone. If you're using an Android phone, go to settings, then connections or network and internet, then open mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on mobile hotspot. On Samsung phones, the hotspot menu will also show you the network name, password, band, and security settings. If you're using an iPhone, go to settings, then personal hotspot, and turn on allow others to join. If the hotspot does not work properly on iPhone, you can also turn on Maximize Compatibility from the same personal hotspot settings. Before you go to the TV, stay on the hotspot screen and check the hotspot name and password carefully. The hotspot name is the Wi-Fi name that will appear on your smart TV, and the password is what you will enter on the TV. Make sure you type the password exactly the same way. If the password is too long or confusing, you can change it to something easier before connecting the TV. If your TV cannot find your phone hotspot, check the hotspot band. Many smart TVs connect better when the hotspot is set to 2.4 GHz. On Android or Samsung phones, open the hotspot settings and set the band to 2.4 GHz if you see that option. On iPhone, open Personal Hotspot and turn on Maximize Compatibility. This can help when the TV is not showing the phone hotspot in the Wi-Fi list. Now, pick up your TV remote and open the Wi-Fi or network settings on your smart TV. Go to Settings, then look for Network, Connection, Wi-Fi, Wireless, or Open Network Settings. And the exact name can be different depending on your TV brand. On Samsung TVs, you usually go to Settings, then Connection, then Network, then Open Network Settings, and choose Wireless. After that, let the TV search for available Wi-Fi networks. When the Wi-Fi list appears on your TV, look for the same hotspot name that you saw on your phone. Select that hotspot, enter the password from your phone, and press connect. Once it connects, your smart TV is now using your phone's mobile data as internet. After connecting, open YouTube or any streaming app on the TV to test if the internet is working. If the hotspot name does not appear on the TV, keep the hotspot screen open on your phone and keep the phone close to the TV. Then turn the hotspot off and turn it back on again. After that, refresh the Wi-Fi list on the TV and search again. If it still does not appear, make sure the hotspot is set to 2.4 GHz, or if you're using an iPhone, make sure Maximize Compatibility is turned on. You can also restart both the phone and the TV, then try again. If you're using an older TV, a 5 GHz hotspot may not appear, so 2.4 GHz is the safer option. If the TV says wrong password or it cannot connect, go back to your phone and recheck the hotspot password. Then on the TV, forget the saved hotspot network if it was already saved before. After that, select the hotspot again and type the password again carefully. If it still does not connect, change the hotspot name and password on your phone, then connect the TV again from the beginning. Also check the hotspot settings on your phone. If there is an allowed devices list, block list, or device limit option, make sure your TV is allowed to connect. If the TV connects to the hotspot, but there is no internet, first check if the phone itself can open websites or apps using mobile data. If the phone has no internet, the TV will also have no internet. Next, check your phone's signal bars. If the signal is weak, move the phone near a window or to a place where the mobile signal is stronger. Also make sure airplane mode is turned off. If you're using an Android or Pixel phone, turn off data saver because it can affect Wi-Fi tethering. And then restart mobile data, restart the hotspot, and reconnect the TV. If the hotspot keeps disconnecting again and again, keep the phone charged or plug it into power because hotspot can drain the battery quickly. Then check your hotspot timeout or auto turn off settings. Some phones can turn off hotspot automatically when no device is connected for some time. If your phone has this option, turn off hotspot timeout temporarily. Also turn off battery saver or power saving mode if it is limiting the hotspot connection. If streaming is slow or the video keeps buffering, move the phone closer to the TV and check the mobile signal strength again. A weak mobile signal can make streaming slow. Also disconnect extra devices from the hotspot because too many connected devices can slow down the internet. Remember, 2.4 GHz is better for compatibility, but it can be slower than 5 GHz. If your TV supports 5 GHz and the hotspot appears properly, you can try 5 GHz for better speed. If nothing works, do not open the TV or try any risky repair. Only reset the TV network settings. Go to the TV's network status or network settings and reconnect from there. On Samsung TVs, you can check network status to see the connection, and you can use reset network from connection, then reset network. After resetting the network settings, search for your phone hotspot again and connect it like a new Wi-Fi network. That's it for this video on how to share cell phone internet with your smart TV using Mobile Hotspot. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you connect your TV to your phone's mobile data and fix the common problems if the hotspot does not appear, the password does not work, or the TV connects but shows no internet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below, especially your phone model and TV brand, so it is easier to understand the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.